Hey, what's going on guys? This is Jose One Way Lamp Service. I hope you are enjoying the video. Let's keep watching so you can see the introduction of the next video. Second house for today. Actually no, this is the third house. Okay guys, so while mowing the lawn, I was listening to some kind of noise coming out from the mower. So guess what? There's breeze coming out of the plug. Oh my transmission. So I guess I need to take this baby back to the mechanic or to the dealer where I purchased this. And this mower is brand new, you know, it's only 65 hours on it, so it hasn't done much. So I hope I can have any replacement for free by Gravely, and you know, I would be happy with that. So I guess that's everything for today. So now I still have 45 minutes, no actually 50 minutes, 55 minutes to drop off my 36 and see if I can get it fixed. I want to find out, so I hope I can make it. If it's not, we'll see you on the next video. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, come on. I'm arriving to the place where I'm going to drop off my... Hey, ¿cómo estamos?
Yo voy a cerrar acá atrás.
Ya, pero voy a echar una máquina.
Tienes que llegar antes de las 5. Acá
5:30, me
no, enfrente cerramos enfrente a las 5:30. Acá atrás cerramos todos a las 5. Ya cuando cerramos las puertas de aquí, eso les digo que lleguen aquí a las 5. Ellos le dicen a las 5:30, pero
Sí,
a las 5
pues.
sí. Los mecánicos se van a las 5 de aquí. Es cuando cerramos todas las puertas. Enfrente se queda abierto para comprar cosas.
Okay guys, I guess that's everything for today. Enjoy that Pac-Man in San Antonio. I hope I can bring you the next video when I be available to pick it up and over at the shop. We'll see you next time. Enjoy life guys. Thank you so much.